In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a GoHighLevel email campaign. Now, starting on the right foot is all about proper configuration, so let's delve right in. Preparing your email sending domain is a critical first step and can't be overlooked because it ensures your emails end up in the intended inboxes rather than being flagged as spam. Navigate to Settings, jump into Domains, and then select Connect a Domain. Click Connect next to Email and input your chosen subdomain. GoHighLevel will generate a set of DNS records, typically between 4 to 6, for you to add to your domain registrar, whether that's GoDaddy, Cloudflare, or another service. After allowing a short period for these DNS changes to propagate, which can range anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes, head back to GoHighLevel and click Verify Domain. Rest assured, this process is designed to smooth the sending process and enhance deliverability. In addition, you have the option to venture into Settings, proceed to Email Services, and set up your email provider. Alternatively, if you're after greater control over sending IPs and limits, you can integrate your own SMTP provider like SendGrid, Amazon SES, or even Gmail. Next in line is setting up your contacts and segmentation. Smart lists are an invaluable tool here, offering the ability to filter your contacts based on tags, previous engagement, purchase history, and more. Such targeted segmentation is the way forward, allowing you to create personalized campaigns as opposed to generic blasts. With your groundwork laid, it's time to create the email campaign itself. Head over to the relevant sub-account, move to Marketing, then Emails, followed by Campaigns, and click on the plus sign labeled New. At this juncture, you have the choice of using an existing template or starting from scratch. Go ahead and browse the extensive library of templates, utilizing the eye icon to preview options. Once you've found one that aligns with your vision, click Continue to access the editor. Customize it to your liking, dragging and dropping new elements and editing existing text, adding images, adjusting fonts, and so much more. Let's move on to configuring your campaign settings. Within the Marketing section and under Campaigns, opt to create New Campaign. Choose a clear and descriptive name for your campaign, such as New Lead Nurture Series. Proceed to add emails, setting delays between them. For instance, you may wish to delay by 2 days. You can also add goals or configure wait until triggers to time your messaging smarter. Now consider setting up automation with workflows. These workflows introduce dynamic, behavior-driven automation adjustments, such as tagging contacts based on opens or clicks, auto-resending unopened emails, or splitting paths based on user behavior. An example workflow might look like this. Upon adding a new contact, you send a welcome email, wait 2 days, see if it's been opened, and then decide whether to send a follow-up offer or a resend with a fresh subject line. Finally, to ensure ongoing enhancement of your campaigns, go to Analytics and explore email reports. Here you'll find insights on open rates, click-through rates, bounce rates, and unsubscribe rates, enabling informed adjustments and strategies going forward. Following these comprehensive steps will set you well on your way to mastering your GoHighLevel email campaigns.